Coding for Kids, a fun and simple introduction. Welcome to our exciting AI for Kids series. In this second episode, we are diving into the fascinating world of coding for kids. We'll explore what coding is all about, step by step, in a way that's fun, simple, and easy for everyone to understand. So, join us on this adventure, where learning is always exciting. Let's start with a simple question. What is coding? Coding is like a magical language that we use to talk to computers. Just like you can tell your friend a story, coding allows us to give instructions to computers and make them do amazing things. Think of it this way. Coding is how we bring our fantastic ideas to life on screens. Imagine being able to create your own video games, apps, or even fun animations. That's the magic of coding. With coding, our imaginations can run wild. From designing colorful characters to building incredible digital worlds, coding helps transform our ideas into reality. For instance, if you've ever played a video game, used an app, or watched a cartoon, someone used coding to bring those creations to you. Now, let's meet our animated AI buddy, who will be our guide on this fun journey. Our friendly AI friend will explain the wonders of coding and why it's such an awesome skill to learn. Together, we'll embark on this adventure and discover the new possibilities coding opens up for us. Why is coding such a valuable skill to have? Well, coding is everywhere, and it's used in almost every field you can think of. From tech companies to movie studios, coding plays a crucial role in creating amazing digital content. Learning to code helps unlock a world of possibilities, making it an incredibly valuable skill for the future. To keep our adventure exciting, we'll use lots of colorful and engaging visuals. Our journey will be filled with bright images, lively animations, and fun characters that make learning refreshing and enjoyable. Remember, when it comes to coding, seeing concepts in action makes it even easier to understand. Let's begin our coding adventure. We'll start with the basic steps of coding and look at some beginner-friendly coding languages and platforms tailor-made for kids. These tools are fun, safe, and make learning coding easy. One popular way to begin is with block coding. It's like using digital Lego pieces to build something awesome, and you don't need to know complicated text commands to start creating. Next, we'll learn about sequences, which are like step-by-step instructions given in a specific order. It's just like following a recipe to bake cookies. First you mix the ingredients, then you bake them, and finally, you have delicious cookies. We'll explore some fun, interactive examples of sequences that demonstrate how they work in coding. Now, let's talk about loops. Loops are like shortcuts for repeating actions in coding. Imagine you want to draw a star 5 times on your screen. Rather than writing the same instructions 5 times, you can use a loop to make it happen. We'll dive into interactive examples to show how loops work and make coding tasks more efficient. Logic is like the engine that drives coding activities. It's all about making decisions and solving problems. In coding, logic helps us ask questions like, if this happens, what should happen next? We'll explore some basic coding logic with real-world examples, making these abstract concepts easier to grasp. Throughout our adventure, we'll introduce you to fun coding tasks and challenges. These hands-on activities are designed to keep you intrigued and thinking creatively. With each small challenge, your coding skills will grow stronger, and you'll gain the confidence to tackle even bigger projects. Our video is filled with colorful animations and friendly characters that make learning more enjoyable. These elements help turn complex ideas into something tangible and relatable, allowing you to understand coding concepts with ease. We'll display interactive code examples on screen so you can see how coding ideas come to life. Together, we'll go through a step-by-step walkthrough of creating a simple project, transforming lines of code into something exciting you can see and use. Coding is an adventure, so don't be afraid to explore and try new things. Play around with the examples, test your creativity, and learn from each experience. Coding is about discovery, and every experiment is a step toward mastering new skills. You'll be amazed at how coding plays a role in your daily life. From using your favorite tech gadgets to watching a cartoon, coding is often behind the scenes. Recognizing these examples can inspire you and illustrate how coding shapes the world around us. Through coding, you're not just learning a new language, you're also building powerful skills like logic and problem solving. As you engage with coding exercises, you'll find yourself becoming a more effective thinker and decision maker. Coding unlocks a world of creativity. Imagine designing your own characters or creating a unique game. We'll introduce some creative challenges you can enjoy at home. There are numerous kid-friendly coding tools and resources available to help you continue your learning journey. We'll explore some of these beginner-friendly tools, including online platforms that are safe and designed with young learners in mind. Curiosity is key in coding. Feel free to ask questions, explore new ideas, and seek answers. Your curiosity will drive deeper learning and make the coding adventure even more exciting. It's important to celebrate your coding victories, big or small. Each project you finish or challenge you solve is a step forward in your learning journey. We'll share examples of successful projects created by other young learners to inspire you. Join a community of young coders just like you. Collaboration, sharing ideas, and working together on projects make coding even more fun. You'll learn from others and perhaps even teach them something new. Parents play a crucial role in supporting young coders. Here are some suggestions for parents to help enhance this learning process. Coding alongside your children can be a rewarding experience and offers a chance for quality time together. Once you've conquered the basics, there are more coding adventures to explore. We'll highlight the next steps in coding education and introduce more advanced concepts for when you're ready to dive deeper into the coding realm. Learning something new comes with challenges. We'll address common concerns and provide tips for overcoming any obstacles you might encounter on your coding journey. Take a moment for personal reflection. Think about how much you've achieved already and recognize your progress. Celebrate your growth and the skills you've gained through this exciting adventure. Let's recap the important coding concepts we've covered. Remember sequences, loops, logic, and creativity. Reinforcing these learning objectives will help solidify your understanding of all we've learned. Did you know there are famous young coders who turned their skills into successful careers? We'll share some motivational stories about these young innovators to encourage you to dream big and imagine your future in tech. Your coding adventure doesn't stop here. We encourage you to keep practicing, exploring, and expanding your skills. Why not start by creating a small project of your own? Thank you for joining us on this thrilling coding journey. We've loved having you with us as we explored the world of coding. We hope to see you in the next episode as we continue to learn and grow together. Our friendly AI buddy and all your coding friends here are saying goodbye for now. Remember, the world of code awaits, and we can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll create. Stay curious, keep exploring, and get ready for our next adventure in the series. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to AI Lifestyle Revolution channel.